Hello everybody, I'm Gabby. Welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a 10-minute booty burner. We are going to perk up your booty so even Beyonce would be jealous. If you've not already hit subscribe, go ahead, hit the subscribe button right now so you don't miss out every time I upload a new workout. This routine is going to consist of 7 exercises. Each exercise is going to be 1.5 minutes. First up, we have a bridge. Then we have a bridge where the right leg lowers into side lying and the left leg needs to be the working leg. Followed by a butterfly bridge. And then we go back into leg lowers, but this time the left leg lowers. Then into side lying, the right leg lifts and back into a butterfly bridge. But don't worry, it's super easy to follow along. All I need you to remember is when we go into the leg lowers, if the right leg is lowering, the left leg is actually doing all the work. So then when we switch to the next exercise, your left leg in that side lying needs to be the active leg. Let's get straight into the workout. First exercise, you're going to bring yourself down into a bridge position. Hands come around the hips, heels dig into the floor, lift the hips up and away. The hips are going to tap to the floor, lift back up again, 1.5 minutes. Let's go. Tap the hips, lift up. We go tap, lift up. So you're squeezing those hips as high as you can to the ceiling. You have your knees, your hips and your shoulders in 2 straight lines like train tracks down the side of the body. Lift up, lower down. As you squeeze the hips to the ceiling, pull the glutes together. Lift up, lower down. Keep breathing, inhale and exhale. You want to press your shoulders into the floor. You want to tuck the tailbone under, lift, squeeze, drop down. Lift, squeeze, lower down. Keep going. You're 30 seconds through. Lift up. Dig those heels in, take the toes off to make it that little bit more intense and drop. Lift up, low down, keep on going. So you're going to finish off every 1.5 minutes. Those final 10 seconds of your 1.5 minutes is going to be an extra burnout with pulses. Drop down, lift, squeeze. I know it's starting to burn round about now. Lift up, lower down, keep going. Squeeze the glutes together. Press those hips up. Lift up. You're going to hold at the top in 5 seconds here. Go 4 seconds and you're going to hold. 3, 2, 1. Now lift and hold the hips up towards the ceiling. Press the palms down. Now little presses up with the hips. Pulse. It burns. I know. Lift up. Lift, squeeze. Squeeze. So you're going to press your hips to the ceiling. Lift up. Lift, squeeze. You've got 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Drop down straight into your next exercise. Pop the feet down to the floor. Lift the hips. Right toe goes up towards the ceiling. Now lower your right leg all the way down. Squeeze up and lift. Lower the right leg down. Squeeze up and lift. So this is actually, even though your right leg is moving, it is your left glute doing all the work. Remember that. Squeeze the toe up to the ceiling. Bring it all the way back down again. Inhale. Exhale, lift. Now do not let those hips start to dip down to the floor. Keep those hips strong and lifted up and away. Inhale, exhale, lift up. Squeeze the toe back down. Keep going, lift all the way up. Bring it back down. Now don't let this right hip start to dip to the floor. Keep pushing the hips up to the ceiling, squeezing your glutes together as tight as you possibly can. Well done. All the way up, down with that leg. Keep going, lift up. Whew, squeeze it back down, it's starting to burn. Up, bring it down, keep squeezing those glutes together. You have another 5 seconds and you're going to hold the toe up to the ceiling. I know you've got it, I know it's burning. 3 more seconds, 2 and 1. Now squeeze the toe up to the ceiling and we're going to start to take little lifts of the hips. Up, lift up, I know, lift, squeeze, push, lift, pressing those hips up to the ceiling. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Rock back, rock forward. No time for a breather. Bring it onto your right arm. Bend the right leg. Left leg works. Up. Tap. Lift. Tap. Lift up. Tap down. So you want your left leg here working. So the leg that was just on the floor is now the working leg. Lift up. Tap down. So now you've toned the back of the glutes. You're going to get right into the side of the glutes. Go tap, lift up, tap the floor, lift up. So you want that same working leg, remember. squeeze, extend through the knee, push into the underneath forearm to get a little bit of waistline work here too. Tap, lift up, we go down, start to feel that burn. Lift. How long can you get your leg? Make sure both the hips are stacked here, so the hips are pointing forwards. Lift up, lower down, squeeze up. You've got it. 10 more seconds and we're going to hold the toe up to the ceiling. Lift up, lower down, keep going. Now we're going to hold the toe up. Little lifts, squeeze, woo, squeeze, squeeze. I know it's a burner. Squeeze, lift, push, lift. Go squeeze, pressing the toe up and up and up. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale, squeezing the toe high. You've just got another 5, just another 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lower yourself straight away on towards the back. Butterfly bridge. Bring the soles of the feet together. Lift the hips up to the ceiling. Now go tap the hips, lift the hips. Tap, lift up. So you're in a butterfly bridge position, meaning the soles of the feet are together. The knees are turned out. Lift up. Tap the hips, lift. Now I know it's a burner here. This is completely different burnout to your normal bridge. You're really targeting into the side of the glutes here. This is one of those exercises that will definitely make you ache the next day. I did the set yesterday just to test it out and I can definitely feel it today. Tap, lift up, go tap, lift up, down and press. Now you can either keep going at this rate or you can join me, make it a little bit tougher. We're gonna go cardio burst and let's get that rounded butt. Keep going. We go up, down, up, down, up, down. Make sure the knees are still out to the side. Butterfly bridge. I know you're probably shaking and burning just like me right now. Up, down, up, down. You've got it. You've got 25 more seconds left to go. You can do it. And then we're gonna have a 30-second breather. Keep going up, down, up, down, up, down. Squeeze, lift, squeeze, lift, squeeze, lift. You've just got a final 10 more seconds here left to go. Keep going. You've just got another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lower the hips down. 30-second breather here. The next thing you are going to go back to is going to be a bridge position, but now you need your left leg in the air. Or if you didn't take it on the right side first up, you just need the opposite leg to the one you had at the start up to the ceiling. That's super important. Bring the palms down. Let's go for it. Tuck the tailbone under. Lift the hips all the way up. Opposite leg. So your left toe presses up to the ceiling. Let's go. Lower the leg down. Squeeze and lift to the top. Lower the leg down. So this right leg is staying super strong. The foot's pressing into the floor. The hips are the same level off. Your glutes are squeezing together. So nice and tight. Drop the leg down. Double check, is one hip dipping? If it is, push it back to the ceiling. All the way down with the toe. Squeeze up and lift. I know you're starting to burn right now, but you've got it. Squeeze up to the ceiling, lift. All the way down with the toe. Squeeze up, press and lift. Keep on going. You are over halfway through your workout. You can do this. Squeeze the toe high. Keep breathing in. Keep breathing, exhale away. All the way down with the leg. Press it back up. Now dig your right heel into the floor, take the toes off. Let's get that extra burn today. We press the foot up, bring it back down. We're gonna hold stillness with that left leg in another 5 more seconds here. You can do this. 4, 3, 2. Last one. Now keep the toe high, dig the right heel in. Now let's press the hips up to the ceiling, lift and lift. I am totally in this with you. I am burning, I am shaking as well. Lift, go squeeze, dig the right heel in. Give me 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7. You've got to go 6, go 5. It's done in 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Now whatever leg this was on the floor, you need to sweep round and make sure that leg is stacked on top. Bring the left forearm down, bend the left leg, extend the right toe up to the ceiling. Tap, squeeze, tap, squeeze up. So the knee is long, the leg is extended, both the hip bones are rolled forwards in front of yourself. Lift, tap. The left leg is just there to stabilize. So you've worked into your gluteus maximus at the back. You've got that rounded seat. Now you're working on your gluteus medius in the side, working on trimming down the side of the leg, working into the side of the glute. Tap the toe, lift up, tap, pressing through your left forearm, drawing the waistline away from the floor so you're toning up your waist as well. We go lift and drop. I am burning as well. Go lift up, tap the toe, lift up, tap, keep on going. You are gonna hold that leg nice and high. Whew. In another 5 seconds, then keep that leg up. I am right there with you. 3, 2, last one. Now hold the toe high. You're gonna take tiny little lifts up, lift up, lift up. That side of your seat, the side of your glute should be on fire right now. We go for a squeeze. You are done in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, back to a glute bridge. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Roll straight on towards your back. You're going to bring yourself down, send the soles of the feet together. Now lift the hips up and away. 1.5 minutes to finish off. We go tap the hips, lift up. Tap the hips, lift. Go tap, lift up. So this is your final thing here today. The soles of the feet are together. The hips are going up and down, up and down. Inhale, exhale. Tap, then lift. Now, how badly do you really want to sculpt out your seat today? How badly do you want to make that change? If you want it really, really bad like I do, we're going to go faster. Tap, press, tap, press. Let's feel the burn. Tap, press, tap, press. Well done. You have just a remaining 45 seconds left to go. As you lift those hips, can you get your glutes shaking and burning? You are fatiguing out the muscle. You are making the change that you want. Tap, press, 35 seconds left to go. Knees are open, soles of feet together. Tap, press, keep on going. You are so nearly done with your booty workout today. Keep going. We go. 20 more seconds left to go. Tap, press. You've got it. 15 more seconds. Can you go faster? Can you lift the hips higher? Can you squeeze the glutes together tighter? 10 more seconds. 9, 8. You've got it. 7, 6. It is done in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Draw the knees into the chest. Give yourself a little rock side to side. And then bring the right foot over the top of your left leg. Draw the knee to the chest. A little stretch out here. Drop the foot down. Pop the other leg over the top. Draw the knee in. Press the leg backwards. And then you're going to go ahead, draw both knees into the chest. Rock back. Rock up forwards. And I want you to sweep the feet round towards the back today. Bring the hands into the shoulders, tuck the toes under, walk your hands to your feet. Little bend through the knees, roll all the way up. And well done in your glute workout today. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new workout. Leave me any comments and feedback down below. See you all soon. Bye.